have to learn to still our mind. And which is our course for the night is meditation, the miracle of mindfulness. And when we talk about mindfulness, we talk about awareness of how our mind works. And when you begin to understand, like I said earlier, that the essence and core of you is pure peace, pure bliss, pure ecstasy, you don't have to get anything. It is your most natural state. And what takes us out of our most natural state is our fear, worry, and doubt. So it's our responsibility to set up a mindful practice, a meditative practice that allows us to be still and know that I am. So in this be still and know that I am, you are to know that you are the activity of God expressing itself as you. That there is a perfect peace within each of you that passes human understanding. And that peace is never more than a breath away. So in this meditative process, we learn to breathe. We began to follow our breath as our grounding point. So no matter what's jumping off in the world, you can always take a deep breath and to ground yourself in the I am. I am that thou art, and thou art that I am. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So the benefits of mindfulness are one, that you get to listen to your body's wisdom. The wisdom of the ages lie at the core and essence of you. And sometimes we have to just find ways to be still and to listen for the inner voice that's always trying to tell us what's happening. So your body is your barometer to where you are in life. And so if you're going through a difficult time, your body will tell you that. That if you're feeling joy and bliss, your body will tell you that. But most of us are so caught up in the outer world that we never take the time to be still and know that I am. So living in the presence, which is the I am, because the I am is that part of you that has no story. The I am has no story about what happened yesterday or what not concerned about what's going on tomorrow. The I am is all that there is. And the I am can only be experienced in the presence. And in the present moment, everything is divine and magnificent. Nothing's ever happening outside of the present moment in the I am. So when we reel ourselves back into the I am, all is in divine and perfect order. As a matter of fact, the first law of life is the law of harmony, which reminds us that everything is in divine and perfect order, always has been. And I'm here to tell you that the only problems that you will ever experience in your life will come from a felt sense of separation from this I am. And I'm not talking about, when I say I am, you need to understand that I am says that it is already done. Even before you ask, and it has always been the universe's good pleasure to give you the kingdom that is at hand right now. So anything outside of the I am will say that, well, maybe someday I'll be, perhaps it could happen. No, I am that thou art, and thou art that I am. So in the benefits of mindfulness, we get to embrace the silence. You know, some of us have been taught that silence is deadly. You know, when silence really is golden. That is the most perfect time, that all of life's secrets will always be revealed in the silence. It's not when this chatter is going on and talking is going, but the silence, God only speaks to us in the silence. And so when we make time for the silence, we open up an avenue for life to have its way with us, for peace to have its way with us. So moving into your conscious awareness of who you really are is at the core and essence of this mindfulness.